Make a great choice today with the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.